Here's something that I was working on this morning just to see how far I could take the OpenAI and the GPT capabilities with regards to dynamics. So I was thinking that I, how could I go out and get it to create data structures for me? So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm saying that I need a early payment discount to be created. So what would that look like? And what it's doing is it's going out and it's creating the data entity or the JSON file for me for cash discounts. And then it's given a discount code, a description, then a percentage and of 5% off within 10 days. And I did that by going out and giving it a little bit of prompting and some examples along the way, and also the attributes that are there. So I thought that was pretty neat. So then what I did is I created this copilot for me. Now I'm going to give it the same request here, and it's going to give me the data structure here within the system. So this is going to give me a 5% discount with 10 days, the same information that we had before. So I thought, could this go even further? And could we go out and actually create records in Dynamics with that? So, so that this is a completely automated sort of setup and configuration based off natural language without having to go and find the cash discounts form here within Dynamics. So I went out and since I have a consistent JSON file here with everything sort of stored in it, I'm just going to go out and click the add button. I could make any adjustments if I wanted to here within this. And then I'm going to return back to Dynamics. And then in just a second, I've actually got a new discount code that I can use, which is 5% at 10, discount if paid within 10 days. I've got my account numbers that I've hard coded in there, and then also the configuration. So I've gone out and used the OpenAI, the GPT models to go out and work out what that should be. Now, also what I can do is if I clear this, then I also extended it out with other entities. So say, for example, if I had a user request and I wanted to set up a new customer and they're called Contoso Coffee, they're located in Duluth and they have a okay credit limit, credit rating and a credit limit of $10,000, then what would that look like through this configuration? And what it's going to do is it's going to go out and it creates a different type of entity for me. It hasn't got a customer number, so I can give it a customer number and it's got a name and then it's got all the fields which I've specified here in this view. And I can do exactly the same thing here and create a new customer record or an account record in Dataverse without, again, by just using a natural query to go out and say what I want to do. And then it's been trained on the data models or the common data model here within the view. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now, all I'm doing in the background is I'm going out and I'm just using the GPT models to go out and build up this information. I'm giving it extra context along the way. And then I've got different options here for whether this is a customer record or a cash discount record or any other entities that I may set up here to go out and create that data. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's a neat experiment to run, and I hope everyone finds this interesting.